What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Mirror dash cams are honestly one of the smartest upgrades you can make. They replace your factory rearview mirror entirely, so you get dash cam recording, a bigger, clearer rear view, and often a backup camera too, all without a separate screen cluttering your dashboard. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best mirror dash cams on Amazon in 2026, from a Starvis sensor-equipped WOLFBOX to a CarPlay and Android Auto integrated option. I'll cover the specs, what each one's actually best for, the pros and cons, and my pick at the end, depending on your priorities and budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Pro. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro features an 8-megapixel Starvis IMX678 sensor with 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, a 128GB card included, a 12-inch mirror display, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, loop recording, a G sensor, and GPS. That 8-megapixel Starvis IMX678 sensor is a genuinely high-end component, delivering noticeably sharper detail and stronger low-light performance than the more common sensors found on budget dashcams. Having both a 4K front and a strong 2.5K rear camera also means you're not sacrificing much quality on either end, which matters a lot if you ever need to identify a license plate or driver's face from either angle after an incident. Pros: high-end 8-megapixel Starvis IMX678 sensor, strong 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, large 12-inch mirror display, 128GB card included. Best pick if sensor quality and resolution on both front and rear cameras matter most to you. Number 2. WOLFBOX G330. The WOLFBOX G330 is a 10-inch 4K rear-view mirror camera with a 64GB card, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, front and rear dash cam recording, WDR, a touchscreen, night vision, parking monitor, reverse assist, and GPS. A dedicated touchscreen interface is a genuinely practical upgrade over button-only controls, making it noticeably easier to navigate settings, review footage, or adjust the display while you're actually in the car. Reverse assist is also worth calling out specifically, since it's designed to actively help guide your backing up maneuvers using the rear camera feed, functioning much like a genuine backup camera system rather than just passive recording. Pros: intuitive touchscreen controls, genuine reverse assist guidance while backing up, strong WDR for better high-contrast footage, solid 4K front resolution. Best pick if you want intuitive touchscreen interface and genuine reverse assist guidance while backing up. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Max. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max combines a 4K front camera with a Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and a 2.5K rear camera with an IMX335 sensor, color night vision, GPS, ADAS and BSD, backup assist, voice control, a 12-inch display, an OBD kit, and a 128GB card included. ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, combined with BSD, or blind spot detection, is the genuine standout here, and it's a meaningfully different category of feature from the rest of this list, actively warning you about lane departure, forward collision risk, or vehicles in your blind spot in real time, not just recording footage after the fact. The included OBD kit is also a smart, practical addition, typically providing a cleaner, more reliable power connection than a standard cigarette lighter adapter. Pros: active safety features like ADAS and blind spot detection are the final go for me, as they come in very handy for my daily driving. Dual high-quality sensors for both front and rear cameras, included OBD kit for cleaner power installation, color night vision. Best pick if active safety features like ADAS and blind spot detection are your top priority, not just recording. Number 4. 4K rear-view mirror camera with CarPlay and Android Auto. This 4K mirror dash cam includes CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a 12-inch display, voice control, split screen, parking monitor, loop recording, reverse assist, a G sensor, and a 64GB card. Built-in CarPlay and Android Auto is the genuine standout feature that sets this apart from every other mirror dashcam on this list, essentially combining a mirror dashcam with a CarPlay screen in one unit, So you get navigation, music, and calls mirrored directly onto your mirror display alongside your dashcam footage. Split screen functionality is also a smart, practical touch, letting you view your CarPlay navigation and your rear camera feeds simultaneously rather than switching back and forth. Pros: built-in CarPlay and Android Auto integration, split screen for viewing multiple sources at once, large 12-inch display, reverse assist and parking monitor included. Best pick if you want CarPlay or Android Auto integrated directly into your mirror display alongside dashcam recording. Number 5. Pelsee 4K Mirror Dashcam. This Pelsee 4K Mirror Dashcam features a Starvis 2 sensor, a 64GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, ADAS and BSD, color night vision, and backup assist. This rounds out the Pelsee lineup on this list with a more streamlined feature set than the Pelsee P12 Pro Max, keeping the genuinely valuable ADAS and blind spot detection safety features while trimming back some of the extras, like the OBD kit and dual high-end sensors, to land at a more accessible price point. It's a solid middle ground pick if you specifically want those active safety features without paying for the full Pro Max package. Pros: ADAS and blind spot detection included at a more accessible price than the Pelsee P12 Pro Max, Starvis 2 sensor for solid low-light performance, color night vision, voice control included. Best pick if you want genuine ADAS safety features at a more balanced, accessible price point. Quick recap: best sensor quality on both cameras, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro. Best touchscreen and reverse assist, the WOLFBOX G330. Best active safety features with ADAS, the Pelsee P12 Pro Max. Best CarPlay and Android Auto integration, the 4K CarPlay Mirror Dashcam. Best balanced everyday safety pick, the Pelsee 4K Mirror Dashcam. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more automotive tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which one you're picking. See you in the next one.